this video, I will show you how to add transition on image in CapCut. So now here is my image. I have these 3 images on my CapCut timeline. So if you want to add transition to them, all you have to do, select the first image. After you select the first image, now if you want to add transition between all of them, so you need to go ahead and turn on magnet. After you turn on this magnet, now take the first take the transition, make sure they are all they are all connected. So make sure they are all connected like this. So after you link them all in the same place, now select the first one, go to transition. So now go ahead and find the transition you want to use. For me, I want to use this glitch. So after you go to the glitch, so I'll go ahead and choose this. I'll click on this plus button. So now the transition has been added. If you want to add the transition, the first transition to be in all the images, just go ahead and click on the transition like this. After you click on the transition, go ahead and click on this apply to all. So now the transition has been added to the next image. So now let's play and see how it works. So be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.